Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make purple cabbage sauerkraut. First, select a fresh, firm purple cabbage. Remove any damaged outer leaves and core it. Then, shred the cabbage into thin, consistent strips, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Weigh your shredded cabbage accurately. This step is crucial for calculating the correct amount of salt needed for a successful fermentation. Now let's talk about salting. For every 100 grams of cabbage, you'll need 2 grams of non-iodized salt. Sprinkle the salt evenly over your shredded cabbage in a large bowl. Then, massage the cabbage vigorously with your hands for about 10 to 15 minutes. This action breaks down the cell walls, helping the cabbage release its own natural brine, which is essential for fermentation. Once enough brine has formed, begin packing the cabbage tightly into a clean fermentation jar. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. It's vital that all the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine. Use a fermentation weight to keep everything below the liquid level. Allow your sauerkraut to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 4 weeks. After your sauerkraut has fermented to your liking, it's time for storage. Transfer the jar to cold storage, such as your refrigerator. The cooler temperatures will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving its flavor and texture. Properly stored, your homemade purple cabbage sauerkraut can last for several months, ready to be enjoyed as a healthy and flavorful addition to many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.